Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be showing you guys some new building material that we had just received. Actually, we have right here with us a 20-foot container that we recently offloaded with roofing materials. So I'm going to give you every detail on the materials as well as the pricing of the material. We just got it, and we know that a lot of persons down in the country area, we know that a lot of those persons are rebuilding their roofs right now. So we're here for you guys with whatever you need in terms of rebuilding your roofs. So based on what I show you guys in the video, if you have any questions that you need to be answered, you can reach out to me and then I'll provide the details to you as quickly as possible. Also, if you're interested in purchasing these items in very large quantity, you can definitely reach out to me and then I'll provide you with the information that is required. So right here, as you can see, we have roofing material. These ones are the stone coated roofing material. This is the one that they're using now in construction. So if you want like a pallet load of this roofing material, we can definitely provide that to you, and we can also provide the installation. So we have them in 4 different colors. We have them in green, black, as you can see here, brown. This one seems to be like dark brown mixed with black, and we have red, black, and we also have gray mixed with black. So I'm going to give you guys more details on the materials shortly, but this is what we have left back in the container because we had offloaded a few of these items. So guys, we're going to show you what and what we took out. We're going to show you a sample in detail. So this one is the gray mixed with black, and the thickness of it is 0.45 mm. So it is very thick, and it is also waterproof, and we're selling them per square at $45,000 per square. But based on the quantity that you will be buying, the price can be negotiable if you're buying in a very large quantity. Also, if you're building like a housing scheme and you need probably around a few containers more of this, we can get them for you as well. So as I was saying, this one is the gray black, and then this one is the green. We also have the materials for them as well to complete the entire roofing process. This one is the green black. This one is nice. And right here we have the capping, and we have the cappings to match each of the colors. Alright, we're looking at the dark brown now. Even though I showed you guys in the container, but we're looking at the dark brown. I'm not sure if you guys can see it very clearly, but this is the dark brown that we have here, and the red. And as I said before, we have all the items to go with each color. What is his name again?
That's it. Finishing.
This is the finishing, guys. I forgot this one, so pardon my thing there, questioning. We also have the nails, as you can see, and the nails are sold per box. So everything that you're seeing in the video, we sell them separately. We sell them separately, as I was saying. And then we have the valley gutters, and the valley gutters match all of the different color of the roofing material. So as I was saying, based on the colors that you guys need, we can provide them, and we also can provide the installation part of the process as well. And everything is sold separately. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put all the prices in the video as well, because I don't remember all the prices off the top of my head. So I'm going to put it in the video as well as in the description section so that you guys can see the price that is being charged. And we also have some wood that we're going to show you as well. So if you need like the wood to structure the roofing before the materials, we can also provide that as well. As we also got this sample in the shipment, so if you want a different design, we can also provide you guys with a different design as well, and other colors that are not shown in the video. So Guys, we're showing you a sample of one of the roofs that we recently did, and this is a sample. This one that's on the roof is dark brown, so this is one that we recently completed. So we're just showing you what it looks like. So as I said before, if you're interested, you can definitely reach out to me, and then we can provide you with more information on the materials. And guys, remember, if you need anything to source from China, especially if it's construction related, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'll also put my phone number in the description box below so that you guys can contact me if you need bathroom fixtures, if you need like probably additional roofing material, electrical items, you name it. So it doesn't really matter if you're starting a scheme, as I had said before, and you need supplies for the entire project, you can just reach out to me and then we can take it from there. Thanks again guys for watching, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. And also I know that a lot of you guys might be wondering where I have been. I have been busy working and I haven't really gotten a lot of time to make videos, but I'll definitely keep you guys posted with everything that I'm currently doing. And yeah, we'll do some little catching up in another video. But as I said, thanks again guys for watching this video. And if you're interested in any of these roofing materials, you can definitely let me know. If you want probably like equipment and machinery, you name it, you definitely can just reach out to me. I'll put my number in the description as well, and you guys can give me a call. You can text me on WhatsApp. You can also email us because my email is in my bio as well. So thanks again guys for watching, and I'll see you guys again in my next video.